Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then you need to install this completely free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and open it. Thanks to this free app, you can learn all the informations about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!